Well, gentlemen, this is test number 2 of Gabby's famous flying tail. I hope this is a little bit better. This time we have a central pivot point in the vertical in the airframe, and you'll notice it's static here and it's bow down, and that is on the same balance point. Probably because of the counterbalance I have on the front there, which keeps this airframe as modelled in shape. We're going to now turn on the wind tunnel. However, before I do that, I want to demonstrate to Ed that, yep, this is completely free to turn, mate. It can do whatever it wants to do, and it's just left there static centre. The model is lined up on the centre line. Let's see what happens. Test number 2, the Behemot tail. Here we go. You'll notice a little bit of airstream vibration, which is to be expected on the airframe. You'll also now notice that the keel has come up to horizontal from how I had it set up. And as you can see, there's no yaw. It's not flying all over the place, nor has it twisted off the centre line of the pivot point, which of course is what we're trying to find out here. Would this thing flip-flop all over the place? There's the centre pin. That I have it mounted in. And down here you'll see we have a slight left rudder at the moment. As it's statically sitting there. So I'll shut down and we will centre the rudder again. In actual fact, we didn't have any rudder, but I'll show you that the model is free to axis and turn here through probably the better part of 10 or 15 degrees. I mean, it would go over and hit the sides of the test chamber, and it doesn't. So there's a good, I guess, 10 degrees port to starboard, or left to right, whichever language you want to speak, and you can see the definite down angle on the keel. Here we go. And you would have seen the airframe move, went to the centre line of the tunnel, flying straight and true. You're the man, Gabby. You are the man. That is a beautiful piece of workmanship. Another close-up. Look at that. Steady as a rock. You can see a little bit of vibration and movement, which is only to be expected with well, pretty lightweight, weighs absolutely nothing, this thing. And that's the idea of the test, is to make sure it's all there. And as you can see, the margin of the test chamber and the keel are perfectly in line. So I think with that tail on a full-size machine flying in the airstream of Gabby's propeller, I think this thing is going to fly fine. It's going to fly fine. So there you are, Ed. We now have proved that there is no yaw problem whatsoever. And as I said in my email on my posting, that if that thing was going to do anything, that model will be going through the fan right now. And we don't have anything like that happening at all. So there we go. Test number 2 completed. I shall turn off the wind tunnel.